Hello everyone, good evening, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a brand new vlog for all of you. So everyone, today is Thursday and today is my week off. So my week off has been changed guys, so that is the reason I am posting the vlogs according to that in each and every week. So I am trying to post every week one vlogs guys, because I'm very interested to do YouTube. So since today is my leaves and I'm going to go outside for a normal outing. So as we know guys, a new movie has released recently, Bhool Chuk Maaf, which is a Bollywood movie. So after so many days, I think a Bollywood movie has been released, and upon watching the trailer I liked the movie. So I thought why not to see the movie once. So that's why I have booked the movie tickets today at night 10:20. So I have booked in PVR only guys. So I will give you the review of the movie at the end of this vlog, that whether this movie is worth to watch it or not guys. So without any further ado, let's start the vlog guys. So please be there until the end of this vlog. So you are so today I'm going to give you the complete movie review as well as a normal dinner vlog. That's it guys. So yeah guys, keep on watching my vlog. And guys, please comment me how I'm looking in the attire. I wore a traditional attire today. Just I want to wear today some traditional dress I thought, so I wore. So and this hand one also, how I'm looking, comment me in this dress. So that's it guys. I hope you like the vlog and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel guys. So please do subscribe and watch the vlog until the end. So everyone, now I'm going outside guys, and presently the time is 7:48 guys, and sorry for the bike sound because the home is beside the road only. And guys, so today is so much rainy in my location. So much rain is going on guys. So heavy rains are there in Hyderabad. So anyways, I just want that until I come back to home there should not be any rains, otherwise I'll be completely wet and the attire also will get spoiled guys. So yeah, that's it. I just hope that until I come outside there should not be rains. From the evening to it's raining heavily. So that's it guys. My movie is in 10:20, Bhool Chuk Maaf, and the movie is very I hope it will be exciting. So keep continuing watching the vlog and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. My full white color palazzo will be spoiled. So yeah, that's it. And today is so much rainy season. I hope until I come back there should not be any rain. So I hope you will enjoy your weekend with your near and dear ones. So now we are going outside, and please do like it, share and subscribe to the channel. So keep continuing watching the vlog. This mall merely, this is the 4th or 5th time I came, so I don't want to show the mall again. I don't want to make my audience bored with that. So actually guys, I from my location to DSL Mall is the nearest one, so that's why for the movie I came here, which is going to start at 10:20, the Bollywood movie. And just for so much time is there, and that is the reason I'm thinking just to go to the Max and see the collections guys. If I like anything then definitely I'll take, and I'll also share with you if I do any shopping links. So please do watch the vlog until the end, guys, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So keep learning, watching. So guys, I will see the collections first of all. So you can also be with me inside the collections. So guys, I'm seeing the collections of the Max, and today crowd very less is there, to be honest, because it is Thursday.
I begin to
So guys, like to be honest, before like in Max collections, I'm not finding that much good. Like very less collections is only there here. So I'm just seeing from so many days to I wanted to do something shopping, but anywhere how the kind of dresses I like, I'm not finding it. I will buy most of the times Western attires only. So still I'm seeing any kind of collections is there or not which I like, but until now whatever I have seen I'm not even liked one also. This black white t-shirt somewhat I liked, like it will be a casual wear, so this one somewhat I like. I'm thinking to take this one. Rest also I'm seeing, so be with me and Mr. So guys, I have thinking to take this shirt. This color I am liking, so let me try it first and then I will decide whether to take or not. So keep continuing watching the vlog and I hope you will like the vlog. So I'm speaking silently because one person already said not to take the video, but still that I am taking just for you people to share. So please show your love to the channel and please do subscribe. Everyone, I came in lifestyle also. Before I came in Max and now I came in lifestyle. After that also anywhere anything collections not there, guys. I don't know why at a time anywhere collections not there. I want to do some shopping also. I'm not getting selective dresses. So yeah, that's it. I'm just seeing here in the lifestyle also I didn't find anything good collections to buy for myself. In Max also I have seen I didn't find that much anything attractive. That sky color shirt I thought to take, but when I wore that I didn't feel that I was looking that much good in this. So after that, if I require it means I can take it from online. But really today I thought to do some shopping here, but I'm not finding anything good. So yeah, let's see if I find anything good. I'll share with you. Thank you for watching the vlog. also I'm not getting anywhere any collections. I thought first of all to go to Zudio guys, but unfortunately because of the heavy rains I couldn't go to Zudio because it's raining outside, so I didn't stop the vehicle in the Zudio. I directly came here so that I can eat from here since it's small, so that I can eat something, have my dinner, and at 10:20 directly I can go to the movie, but I have booked the tickets here. So yeah, that's it. If you know anywhere where I can get some good collections of shopping dresses, then please do comment me. So yeah, that's it. I hope you are seeing the vlog because each and every vlog is done with a lot of dedication and hard work. So keep continuing watching the vlog guys, and at the end of the vlog definitely I'll give you the review of the movie Gunjun Mama. So keep continuing watching. The time is yeah, it's 9:19 time presently. So the movie is from 10:20 guys. So still I have 1 hour for having my dinner. I have checked almost all the stores for doing any kind of shopping, but unfortunately, or you can say might be bad luck, I didn't get any kind of dresses. I really wanted to buy some dresses today. I prepared my mind and I came, but unfortunately I didn't find any good collections. So that's it guys. Now I'm going to have my dinner here, and this is DSM Mall food court. Before also I've shown to you so many times in the channel. So now I'm going to have my food, and after the 10:20 I'm going to the movie which I have booked through online. So keep continuing watching the vlog and be with me until the end of this vlog, and please do subscribe to the channel guys because every vlog is done with a lot of dedication and hard work. So keep continuing watching. So everyone, I have ordered from here, from Khan Sahib Express is the name of the food stall. From there I have ordered this biryani guys because I'm feeling hungry. Lunch also I have not taken that much properly. So I've ordered one chicken dum biryani, and from KFC I have taken one type of combo where hot and crispy chickens and normally french fries and that rice bowl and all that I have ordered. So this is the food item that I have ordered, and I'm sharing it with all of you. So after the dinner, I'll go 10:20 to the movie, and there will give you at the end of this vlog the honest review of this movie, that whether this movie is worth to watch or not. So yeah, keep continuing watching, and I'll taste the biryani and I will say also the honest review. It's too hot. One bite, it seems to be good only. Yeah, it's good. So keep continuing watching. My dinner is completed, but I couldn't able to eat the full dinner because I have taken a KFC combo and it has been already filled up. So I thought that okay, after the movie, if I feel hungry means I will eat, or else after I eat, because already I'm filled up. The biryani was not bad. In front of you only I have tasted the biryani. KFC any particularly vlog I didn't take because obviously KFC is a brand, so obviously the taste is always excellent, no doubt in that taste. And I am a lover of KFC, so I have not taken separately a vlog on that, on the food review. But the biryani of Khan Sahib Express at DSL Mall food court was good only, not bad. The smell of the biryani, the aroma of the biryani was also good. So now nothing more, without any further ado, it's already been 10:05 guys. So I am going to go upstairs now for the movie. The ticket has been already booked. At 10:20 is the show of Bhool Chuk Maaf. So I hope the movie will be good. After so many days I'm watching a movie, like I think after Chhawa I'm watching this movie. So keep continuing watching the vlog and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So everyone, I came to Cinepolis movie theatre to watch the movie of Bhool Chuk Maaf. So I have taken my dinner already and I came, and the time is 10:10 exactly, and 10:22 the movie will start. So I will give you the honest movie review after watching the movie. So after many days I'm watching the movie guys, so I hope the movie will be interesting and not boring to watch. So yeah, keep continuing watching the vlog and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So everyone, I came inside the theatre already. So I've just shown them the online movie ticket that I have booked, and I came. I don't know which Audi will be there until now. So anyways, I'm not taking any kind of food from here. Here a lot of food options will be there, like one stall is coffee, and there is another stall also, which you can see at the back side of me. So I have not taken any kind of food before going to see the movie, because already my stomach is filled up with the KFC and the biryani, to be honest. So that's why any food I I'm not taking presently for eating because I have just taken the dinner and I gave that also. I didn't complete the full food whatever I have ordered. So that's it, guys. This vlog was a very simple vlog where I have shared with you my weekend leave, how I've spent the day. Sorry, excuse me. So how I have spent the day, where I have shared with you like coming outside and spending some leisure time and just seeing the collections of the dresses, what are the collections and all. Although I didn't find even one dress also today, to be very honest, to do the shopping. That's it, guys. Now the movie will start and definitely I'll give you the review and keep continuing watching the vlog. And if you have not subscribed yet, guys, then please do subscribe, because with a lot of hard work the vlog is being made. So everyone, after walking constantly, the legs are literally paining to me, and also because of this shoes and the ground is plain completely, so I'm constantly like getting sleep constantly. So that's it. Just I'm sitting some time for 4-5 minutes. After the movie starts, I'll go inside the movie and definitely I'll share you the reviews. So keep continuing watching. So the movie is going to start, guys. It has been already 10:21. So I came inside the theater and already they have started the advertisements. So within few minutes the movie is going to start and I'm going to show you where I'm sitting. So yeah, come with me. Sofa sets, guys. This one they have booked. So this is very comfortable, relaxing. It's like sofa recliner. Sofa ticket is 300 here, I guess. Yeah, 300. I'm talking about DSC Mall. I hope you're hearing my sound. Sorry for the backside sound.
क्या बात हो गई? चक्कर वक्कर चल रहा है क्या तेरा?
लेकिन आदमी सुअर
असिस्टेंट कोच ने अपने सीनियर पर हल्ला बोल दिया।
ये कोई जगह पार्क करने की?
about.
So everyone, I have seen the movie that is Bhool Chuk Maaf. So the movie is very different from other movies, Hindi movies that I have seen. Almost I will see each and every movie whichever will come new. But yeah, it's based on the trailer. If I like the trailer, means definitely I'll come and see. So Bhool Chuk Maaf trailer also I have liked, guys. Due to that reason only I decided to come definitely for the movie. So I came today. So I just wanna say this movie is completely different. Like it's a little bit different story. Like it's about a government job where one person has sincerely passed the exam and tried for the exam and will get the job, but somebody else by providing the money has taken the job because he wants to marry his lover. He wants to get financially stable for the job, but due to that reason the person who is actually want to get the job, that person has committed suicide. So to save a life, he has at the end the person who has taken the money with the job has given the opportunity to this deserving person, and this is how the story ends. It's a love story where a person wants a government job by fake things, and another where some person who has studied hard to get the job. This is how the story is all about. In middle, lot of entertainment, jokes, fun, everything is there. Quite nice movie, interesting. If I say that for 2 hours, it's I think 2 hours movie, that's it, not more than that if I exclude the interval middlements. So very interesting, very short movie. I didn't feel boring for a second also, and at the end I became a little bit emotional also. So everything was very, very nice. So that's it about the movie, guys. It's a really, really worth watching movie, to be very honest. So if you get free time, then definitely you can watch the movie. I really like the movie, to be very honest. It's an honest review. I'm still in the Cinepolis on the see. After the movie, I'm giving you the review in the theatre itself. So that's it, guys. I hope you have liked today's vlog. So if you like today's vlog, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. So that's it, guys. And yeah, bye, take care, and have a great weekend ahead, guys. So yeah, that's it. Bye-bye. So everyone, that's all about today's vlog. So the time is almost 1:45. So that's it about today's vlog. I have given you the honest review of Bhool Chuk Maaf. That movie is really, really nice, guys. You can watch it if you like to watch. I have given you the honest review in the vlog. You can see the clip which I have added in the vlog. So yeah, that's it. I hope the weekend you'll be enjoy with your near and dear ones. So yeah, that's it. Please keep continuing watching the vlog, and until the next vlog, come to this channel. Till then, stay safe, happy, positive and healthy. Bye bye, good night, take care, guys. Bye bye, good night.